Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix Domino's pizza payment problem. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix Domino's pizza payment problem. So first of all, you can check your payment details. So make sure your card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address are correct. Check that your card has enough funds available. Now, you can try another payment method. You can use a different debit or credit card, try another available options such as PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or cash on delivery if available in your area. You can check your internet connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reopen the Domino's app, and try again. You can always, of course, update the Domino's app, so open the App Store or the Google Play Store and see if there is an update available. If it is, of course, install the update. You can clear cache, app cache, and that's only on Android. On iPhone, you have to reinstall the application itself. You can remove and add your card again, so delete the saved payment method from the app and add it again and then try the payment. You can of course at the end check it with your bank. Your bank may have blocked the transaction for security reasons, confirm that online payments or international payments are enabled, and that's basically that. The only other reason, the thing I can tell you also to maybe try and do is to go and try opening it on the website and not the application, but that's always of course an option. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.